Ambitious Elle patterns. I am Elena and today we'll sew a pride flag. It's really easy as equality should be. What will we need? I am glad you asked. First of all, woven fabric, a lot of it and in colors. More specific, we will need 6 pieces of 17 cm wide and 150 cm long each. And the colors would be red, orange, yellow, green, blue and purple. Next step is to place your colors in line correctly, one next to the other. This way you will always know which one comes next. I will start by matching purple and blue. Place the one on the other, right sides in, pin and sew. Additionally, you can do a zigzag stitch on the edge of the fabrics. Now place the green piece on the blue one, again right sides matching in. Again pin and sew. Repeat for adding the yellow piece to the green one, then again for adding the orange one, and repeat once again for adding the last one, the red piece. Do a zigzag stitch all over the edge of the fabrics to prevent them from trimming. Then fold the edge at 1 cm and sew. You are now ready to wave your flag high.